Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone, my name is Almaira Nisa, student ID or name 19240418, class 19.2A17. Today I will be presenting a topic titled Understanding Computer. I hope this presentation gives you a clear overview of the basic concept of computers. What is computer? Computer is an electronic device that receives input, processes data, stores information, and produces output. A computer is an electronic device that is capable of receiving input, processing data, storing information, and producing output. With this ability, computer has human in various activities such as processing information, communication, and controlling systems. A brief history of computers. Let's take a brief look at the development of computers over time. In the 1940s, the first generation of computer was developed. One example is the ENIAC, which was led and used vacuum tubes. From 1950 to 1970, computers developed with the invention of transistors and later integrated circuits, making them smaller and faster. In the 1980s, personal computers or PC started to evolve and become more common for home and office use. And today, we are in the era of mobile computing and artificial intelligence, where devices are smarter, portable, and connected. Inside a computer. Modern computer consists of several main components that work together to execute commands. The four core components of a computer system are control unit. The control unit or CPU is the part of the CPU that is responsible for managing and controlling the operation of the entire computer system. Memory. Memory stores data and instructions needed by the CPU. Input and output. Input and output device enable communication between user and computer system. Arithmetic logic unit or ALU. ALU is the part of the CPU that handles all arithmetic and logic operations. Main component of computer. A computer consists of three main components that work together so that the system can run effectively. Hardware is all the physical part of a computer that can be seen and touched. Software is a collection of commands or programs that regulate how a computer works. Brainware is a person who uses, manages, and develops computer systems. Component function. Computers have various important functions in everyday life. The main functions of a computer include data processing. Computers are capable of processing raw data into useful information. Storing information. Computer can store data for short and long terms. Communication and sharing data. Computers are connected via a network allowing data exchange. Controlling automatic system. Computers are used to control automatic systems in various files. Next part 2. Hardware. What is hardware? Hardware is all the physical part of a computer, and it is distinguished from the data that reside on it or operator on it, such as software that provides instruction for the hardware to complete tasks. Hardware component. Hardware is physical equipment of computer system. Computer hardware can be divided into several main categories: output device, processing device, storage device, and input device. Input device. Input device is computer device that is used to input data into computer system. Input device can be divided into some categories: text input device, writing device, gaming device, image video input device, and audio input device. Device text input device, such as keyboard, a device to input text and character by pressing button, or referred to as key, similar to a typewriter. Second, pointing device. In computing, a mouse or plural mic or mouse device is a pointing device that functions by detecting two-dimensional motion relative to its supporting surface. Third, gaming device. One example of gaming device is a joystick. A joystick is a general control device that consists of a handheld stick that pivots around one end to detect angle into or three dimension. Fourth, image video input device. There are two common input devices in this type. First is image scanner, a device that provides input by analyzing image, printed text, handwriting, or an object. Below is a picture of image scanner. Fifth, audio input device. One example of audio input device is a microphone. Microphone, sometimes referred to as a mic or mic, is an acoustic to electric transducer or sensor that converts sound into an electrical signal. Next, there are output device. A device used to display the result of a computer process to the user. Example, image, video output device such as printer and monitor. Second, audio output device such as speaker. Processing device. The component that processes data, namely the CPU. The core device is responsible for processing entered data and executing program instruction. Example, CPU or Central Processing Unit, the brain of the computer, processes all the data. GPU or Graphic Processing Unit processes graphic data, especially for games or design. Storage device. Media for storing data, such as hard disk and SSD, a device used to store data either temporarily or permanently. Example, hard disk drive or HDD, solid state drive or SSD, flash drive or USB, CD or DVD. Memory cards. Storage is divided into primary storage, like RAM, stores data temporarily when the computer is active. Secondary storage, like HDD or SSD, process data permanently. Conclusion: computers are tools that continue to develop and become an important part of modern human life, and hardware is an important component that allows computer to receive input, process data, and produce output. That's all the presentation I can present. Forgive me for all the wrong words and attitude. I said goodbye. Thank you for your time and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.